Hi everyone, I am Varun Yadav, and in this video I am going to show you how agent memory in Private Agent Factory helps the agent retain relevant context across conversation. Most AI agents start conversation from zero. Agent memory in Oracle AI database Private Agent Factory gives agent continuity. They can retain relevant information from earlier conversation and use it when it helps the same user in a future chat. This enables more personalized and useful agent across many use cases such as employee assistant, support agent, sales coach, research workflow, and transcript summarizer, just to name a few. The memory is scoped to the same user and workflow, so it stays controlled and does not become shared context for everyone. To make this capability concrete, I'll use an example of transcript summarizer. You will see how it carry forward the project context, prior commitment, and a user preferred reporting format across separate meeting chat. First of all, to get started, we need to be on the latest version of the Private Agent Factory, which is 26.7 at the time of the recording. And then, as an administrator for this Private Agent Factory, you need to click on the application setting and go to the agent memory. Here, we can only choose the embedding model once while we are configuring it. So make sure that's the model that you want to use for rest of the lifecycle of this instance. So for my use case, I have choose go here as the embedding model and I have click configured. So you can see right now it is grayed out and I cannot change this for this particular instance anymore. Now let's start by creating a custom workflow. So I click on the custom workflow, create a workflow. Over here, we'll create a very simple workflow. We'll have an agent which will use Grok 4.2 reasoning, and I will add a chat input and the chat output nodes over there. And we will have a simple custom instruction so that agent follows those instructions. So this is our prompt where we are using the structure of giving the summary, decision, action item, risk and dependency, open question and follow-up items from the prior meeting. And also we have given instruction to use any prior context if there is any available in the agent memory and do not invent any new facts. So I click on finish editing and I'll save this workflow for now. And I'll click on the settings icon over here and we'll make sure that the memory is enabled. And we can also select or deselect the option for share memory between the chat thread. So I'll just leave it for now because we want to preserve the memory across the different threads for this workflow. So I click save, click on the playground, and here I'll ask us very simple message. And let me expand it a little bit. So before I summarize any meeting, I am giving the agent a small amount of durable context about the persona and the project. So we are saying, hi, I am Maya, the project manager for Project Atlas, a customer portal migration. I'm also telling the agent how I want summaries presented. Finally, I am defining the core stakeholder. Raj owns engineering, Elena owns security, and Noah owns customer communication. This is the type of context that the agent memory can retain for future chat in this workflow. I won't need to restate it every time as I paste a new meeting transcript. So what I'll do is I'll hit the send button, and if everything goes fine, what it will do is it will create a new memory. So I'll also paste the transcript. Now I'm pasting the first Project Atlas status meeting. I don't expect anyone watching this video to read the full transcript. I want to show the key signal that agent should extract. The team has a September 30 launch target. 18% of account have incomplete profile data, creating a migration problem. The team makes an important decision. They will not automatically migrate legacy account with incomplete profile data. Instead, those customers will receive a guided migration email. The transcript also contains 3 clear action items assigned to Raj, Elena, and Nova, as well as significant launch risk of legacy account remediation may delay the September 30 target. This summary turns the meeting transcript into an executive-ready update. We can see 18% legacy account with incomplete profile data. Then there is action item assigned to Raj, Elena, and Nova. Because this is the first chat, there is no prior context yet. And in the next meeting, we will see how agent memory uses this context to make the summary more useful. What I can do now is I can go to the chat history. And if I click on 3 dots and click on inspect memory, here I can see the information that the memory is saved over here, right? So there are multiple facts over here. Maya is the program manager for Project Atlas, a customer portal migration. That is a fact. Raj owns engineering for Project Atlas. So likewise, there are multiple facts that is stored as the memory. And as you can see, I have an option to either delete the memory if it doesn't make sense. Deleting the chat won't automatically delete the memory. So we have to always check the delete memory option. So in that way, it can delete it. And we can also see the context and then the relevant information that it is trying to bring up. So now what I can do is I'll go back to the message, and in this case now I'll click on the new chat. So in the new chat we have pasted a transcript which contains the new progress, a new launch date, but it does not restate the earlier decision about incomplete legacy account. So now if I send this information based on my memory from the chat 1, it should be able to generate a summary which should have that prior information. This is a new chat, but the agent still understands the project context. It summarizes the current update, security completion, legal approval as a blocker, and the move to a October 14 launch date. Most importantly, under prior context, it connects this meeting to the earlier legacy account decision and confirm that Raj's previous action item is resolved. That is agent memory, adding continuity without mixing past information into today's decision. Now let's try one more thing. We'll click on the new chat and we'll paste another chat transcript, and I'll click send. Here agent memory adds even more value. The agent leads with Maya's priority, customer impact and launch risk. It connects current remediation progress to the original September 30 target and revised October 14 launch date. It also captures new operating context, the October 1 readiness threshold, the knowledge base approval dependency, and Maya's request for weekly executive update. The agent is no longer summarizing a meeting, it is maintaining a continuity across the project. Finally, I am starting over a new chat with a short status update. I am not repeating Maya's reporting preference, the original launch date, or the earlier remediation decision. The new information is simple. Remediation has reached 67%. The knowledge base dependency is resolved. Priya now owns the October 1 review, and the October 14 launch date is unchanged. This is the final test. Can the agent use its save project context to turn a brief update into an executive ready summary? This final summary proves the continuity across multiple chat. The agent identifies the current status 67% remediation, rising support volume, and the published knowledge base article. It also resolves a question from an earlier meeting. Priya now owns the October 1 launch readiness review, and it applies Maya's remembered reporting preference by surfacing remediation percentage, support volume, and launch risk without Maya needing to reset them. And with all this chat, now I can go to the chat history. Now I can click on the previous thread and I can always click on the inspect memory over here, and I can see the retrieve memory, right? So it stores all the fact of customer remediation for Project Atlas reach 67% as of September 29, knowledge base article for Project Atlas published by support on September 29, right? So all this fact can be reviewed over here and can be deleted if that is not needed. So with the agent memory, a transcript summarizer stops being a one-time meeting tool. It becomes a continuity assistant that understands the project, track relevant follow-up, and delivers summaries in a way which user need. Thanks for watching. Try agent memory in your own private agent factory workflow to make every conversation more relevant over time.